Are you looking for the best electric toothbrushes? In this video, we will look at some of the 4 best electric toothbrushes on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Oral-B Pro 1000 Rechargeable Electric. Quiet mark noise rating. 1 out of 3 stars. Loud. Battery life. 7 days modes. 3. Daily clean. Whitening and sensitive. Pressure sensor. Yes alerts. 2-minute timer with 30-second interval alerts. Cost of replacement heads. $22 for 3. Projected cost over 1 year. $62. Lab notes. With tens of thousands of 5-star ratings on Amazon, this brush is best for anyone looking for a basic but effective electric toothbrush that will deliver a solid clean without any fancy bells and whistles. Our lab pros gave it a perfect score for effective cleaning teeth and a nearly perfect score when compared to a professional teeth cleaning. Our experts were also impressed by the ease of use. Its rotating head for plaque removal, a pressure sensor to prevent overbrushing, and a 2-minute timer. Plus, the cost is lower than comparable options. Tester feedback. This Oral-B brush has the perfect little angled brush that gets in between my teeth and gets all the plaque and food out that is hard to get with a traditional toothbrush, said one tester. Consumer testers also liked its lightweight, user-friendly design, although there is only one cleaning mode and no adjustable speed. Though we noticed it was noisier than other models and some residue on the charging base after extended use. App integration. This toothbrush offers great value, but it lacks some of the advanced features found in pricier models, like app connectivity. Number 2. Philips Sonicare 4100. Quiet mark noise rating. 3 out of 3 stars. Quiet. Battery life. 14 days modes. 1. Clean with high and low intensity. Pressure sensor. Yes alerts. 2-minute timer with 30-second interval alerts. Cost of replacement heads. $10 and up for 4. Projected cost over 1 year. $50. Lab notes. We love that the Sonicare 4100 offers all of the brand's must-have features at a great price, including a 2-minute timer, pressure sensor, and 2 intensity settings, which are especially helpful for sensitive gums or teeth. In our tests, it received nearly perfect scores for its ease of use, durability, and quietness. It has a lightweight design and compact USB-A charger for easy storage. Its performance scores were slightly lower than premium Sonicare models, but you can get it for 1/8 of the cost. Plus, you can get compatible replacement heads starting at $10 for packs of 4, so you can swap the bristles more frequently for less money than other options, which is ideal for someone who brushes with tons of pressure or gets sick often. Ahem, kids and teens. Tester feedback. Many of our consumer testers felt it thoroughly cleaned their teeth. I felt like I got a great clean each time with minimal effort, said one tester. Another appreciated the brush head's design. The compact head fits farther back and reaches all around the back teeth better than a manual toothbrush. Number 3. Philips Sonicare 9900 Prestige. Quiet mark noise rating. 1 out of 3 stars. Loud. Battery life. 14 days modes. 5. Pressure sensor. Yes alerts. 2-minute timer with 30-second interval alerts. Cost of replacement heads. $27 and up for 2. Projected cost over 1 year. $327. Lab notes. While it might be the most expensive on this list, it earned the highest overall score in our lab tests, 4.9 out of 5, which is the average of its ratings for cleaning performance, ease of use, durability over time, and user satisfaction. This toothbrush has the most advanced features of all the options on this list, including tracking mist spots, 2 intensity settings, sensors for your brushing movements, and auto adjustments of the vibrations if you brush too hard, which is helpful for sensitive gums. The elongated brush head, narrow shape, and side-to-side moving bristles is best for those who prefer the feel of a traditional toothbrush and are trying to reach tricky spots. Tester feedback. Our pros weren't the only ones who loved this brush. It received the best consumer satisfaction score. Several testers felt they had healthier gums and less plaque after using it. I love this toothbrush, said one tester. The vibrations tickle a bit and take a few days to get used to, but they make it super effective. My teeth feel like they've been professionally cleaned, another shared. Other testers noted that the toothbrush took up very little space on their bathroom counter. App integration. This toothbrush pairs with the Sonicare app to guide you through brushing, alerts you to any missed spots, and helps improve your brushing habits over time. The app is easy to use. Makes brushing fun and motivates me to brush more often, said one tester. Number 4. Oral-B IO Series 9. Quiet Mark Noise Rating, 2 out of 3 stars, average, battery life, 14 days, modes, 7, pressure sensor. Yes alerts, 2-minute timer with 30-second interval alerts, cost of replacement heads, $42 and up for 4, brush comes with 3, projected cost over 1 year, $220. Lab notes, the IO Series 9 is one of Oral-B's most advanced electric toothbrushes, and while it's on the pricier side, it's packed with smart features for a deep clean and comes with 3 replacement heads. In lab tests, the Oral-B IO scored highly for effective cleaning, useful sensors, and sufficient battery life. We were especially impressed by 7 smart modes, including one for sensitive teeth and another for tongue cleaning. Plus, we also loved the features that help you brush better and properly. The built-in timer to alert you when to change the quadrant of your mouth and stop brushing, and the smart pressure sensor, which turns red if you're brushing too hard. Tester feedback. Consumer testers were impressed, calling it a game changer, a joy to use, and incredibly cool. Many even said it felt like a professional cleaning and appreciated the sensor that is lit green when the pressure applied is appropriate and red when there is too much pressure, giving your teeth a proper cleaning. I get a great clean and the features are beneficial without a ton of buttons, said one tester. App integration. The Oral-B app includes real-time AI coaching to guide you as you brush, ensuring you never miss a spot. Testers praised the app and the multiple cleaning modes. I like the functions. The sensor light shows if you're using the right pressure, and the app tracks how thoroughly you brush, offering feedback for improvement, said one tester. Others loved the interactive color display, which shows a smiley face when you've brushed for 2 minutes.